Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the Clean-A-Palooza collaboration that is hosted by my good friend Annie from Crafting with Indie Annie Jones. And I am going to be cleaning up my craft room. So let's head on in there. So I've started cleaning in my craft room and you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, what a horrible mess. Yes, well a lot of this is from me taking stuff out of my closet here. Let's go over to the closet. And organizing. I've been organizing my closet first. So I've gone through all my drawers and organized. And I've gone through all my bins here. And I got everything organized. I do have to have a few boxes of some items for crafting. I still have space here because I do put a few more things here. Let's get the other side opened. And then I did all of these drawers, got them all organized, and I have bins up here that I went through and got everything organized. So a lot of this sitting out here is from leftover in there that I need to find new homes for. So I'm going to be going through everything that's on here. I know I have all these shelves here that I want to pull everything off. I might not do the ribbon. I just need to organize, put ribbons away. And I'm probably going to work on the shelves here and then everything here. So I'm going to get going on the floor and see if I can get the rest of this stuff put away. And then we'll get started over here on the shelving unit. I did go ahead and take the stuff out of this shelf, which is a bunch of mesh, which I'm going to find a new home for it. And I do ribbons down here. I think I will go ahead and fix this a little bit better. It's a little messy. I was pulling some of the ribbons out. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull everything off the shelves here, one at a time, and reorganize this. All right, I have everything done. The top two shelves here are all my Christmas ribbon. And down here, I have fall, Halloween, 4th of July, and some Valentine's Day. And down here, I have my spring. And I also have more things that are just like black and white, and some gray and white, and beige and white. And we'll go down to here. And now, this shelf unit is done. And I'll be moving over to the tall shelf unit on the right. Now here's the other tall shelf unit. And I'm probably going to leave most of the stuff here. I'm going to leave all the wood pieces there, and I'll organize the bottom shelf a little bit, and then I'm going to pull everything else off of these other 4 shelves and organize them. The first 2 shelves have been organized. The top shelf mainly has buttons and some miscellaneous items. The second shelf down has a lot of my wood items. And I'm going to start on this shelf next, and I have some space up there, so I may be using or be moving some of those wood items from down here up to here. I have more organization done here. And this shelf right here, I have more room that I can put things on, which is probably what I'm going to do. But now I'm going to go ahead and head over to this area. I got 3 smaller bookcases that I'll get cleaned up, and I will show you how they look when they're done. The shelf units here are done, these 3. I cleaned everything up and did some reorganization. Now I got to tackle the top of them. I got to take everything off. I'm going to get it all cleaned up, and a few things need to be put away, and majority of this is going back on the top here. Now that the top is all cleaned up, got everything off of there, all nice and clean. I even went through all my paintbrushes, pulled out some real nasty ones. So we are good and organized here now, at least for a little while. All right, well now the fun part is the floor. Everything that I've just kind of thrown around here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get all of this put away. Got so many things I still need to go through, and a few things to throw away. Then I'll show you how the room turned out. All right, after a few days, the craft room is done. Let's go check it out. Looks so much better. I did put some contact paper on my table. Eventually, I'm going to get my chair and table painted again, and I'll put something different on here. But this is just some Dollar Tree stuff, just a couple rolls that I used. You can see, there's a little glare here. Got a little bit of snow overnight. Bitter cold today, like about 18 degrees. Very cold, cold. But a good day to get organization finished. So I have everything organized of my ribbons. Okay, we'll go over here. Everything is nice and clean. I went through all my paintbrushes and got rid of some really old, nasty ones, kind of falling apart, and some of them were a little hard. So, to get those gone. And I didn't have to pull anything out of these bins that are on here. I just added a few more things to them that could fit in there. And this side is all done. So I basically have like buttons on my top shelf. This shelf has a lot of my wood things. You might notice a little Walmart 25th anniversary. I used to work at Walmart, and I was there for the 25th anniversary, and they gave this to, and yes, that is Coca-Cola in there. I've never opened it, but I always like the bottle, so I just kind of keep it in here. You can see the dates. That was back in 1987. I worked there for about 4 years. Have a few more bins here. Okay, and then over here, I didn't have to do anything over here. I've always kept this nice and clean. This rack, you know, an old neighbor from many years ago gave it to me. She worked at Home Depot. It was something with seeds or something, and I couldn't believe that my bins that I have here, they were in another plastic container that broke, that all of my bins that I have my paint in just fit in here perfectly. I mean, look at this. You can see that they just fit in here perfectly. I couldn't believe it. That was fabulous. Okay, so I'm not going to show you this. It's really messy in there. I mainly have my matte sprays in there and all of my Mod Podge things and some pattern books. And we will go over to here. I couldn't do a whole lot in this area right now. I like to work with picture frames, so I just kept my picture frames out. Everything on here is projects that I want to work on. And down here is a lot of my scrapbook paper and of course copy paper and stuff. And I have a few of my molds way down there. And that's mainly what I have in my drawer here. I have all my molds in here. And I have some little papers in here and some tapes and stuff. All right, so let's look at the closet. So here's a closet. I did pull everything out of all of these drawers here and went through everything. I didn't do anything with these smaller ones because they were already good to go. This is a new bin that I bought to put a bunch of my flowers in. And I did organize all of these bins. I took everything out and went through there. Let's check out the other side. I sure do miss my walk-in closet from my last house, from my craft room. It's hard to get into that one down there. I know. And this is just two of them stacked together. I did the same thing, pulled everything out except for the bottom because that just has all of my sewing thread down there. But everything got pulled out and organized the best I could. And I did the same thing with these bins up here. All right, so get this closed. I'll take one more look. Let's see how long it will stay clean. But it is so much better now than before. All right, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.